let me use this opportunity to tell Ekiti people that the president of this country is supportive of Ekiti State. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing everything humanly possible for Ekiti State, and I stand there to give a testimony to that effect. The president has supported us, but it's not possible for him in 2 years to solve all our problems. He's trying his best. As I speak today, the construction for Ado, Ikere, Ita-Ogolu, Akure Road is going on by this president. As I speak today, the Ijon, Ado, Afebawala Road has been awarded. There's a small glitch, but we are working to resolve it, and contractor will move to site very soon. It's unfair for any Ado indigene or for any Ekiti indigene to now use the condition of Aramoko Road to measure the performance of this government. Ekiti people are not ingrate. We reject that narrative, and we say that the president is supporting us, and Ekiti people are in support of the president. I need to state this clearly. We also know that at the Lagu, at the Yenio Jakama, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing his best, but we will reject any narrative that now want to pigeonhole the president as not loving Ekiti State, especially when it's coming from people, tendencies that want to be governor of this state, and they're from the same party with the president. We reject it. It is not correct. It is not every time